lock that I will try to pick is this BALDWIN. I do believe it's a 5-pin lock. I haven't counted them that good yet, but I think it's a 5-pinner, and it was custom pinned by Javid. So Javid, thank you very much for the lock. Let's see if I can open it in some decent amount of time and get it afterwards. No key, I have a lock, and the pins inside are so crunchy. I believe most of them are homemade serrated pins. So let's see if we can open it, because I'm dying to see the pins. Okay, I pressed number 3 and it gave a small rotation on the core. Let me get a deeper hook. I think a deeper hook should be easier. Okay, that was number 5. I got some rotation on the core again. That was number 2. That was number 2 again. That was number 1. Come on, number 4. Okay, that was number 4, I guess. And number 5 needs to be pushed once again. Okay, so that was number 4. That gave a really big rotation. Now let's check the pins. So 1 is okay, 2 is okay, 3 is okay, 4, and that should be number 5. That's giving us some counter rotation. Very small. And open. Yep, it was number 5. Okay guys, so let's zoom out, and I will try to get it real quick because I need to leave for the office. So here I have a screwdriver, sort of. I will not lock it because I'll have to pick it again then. Here we go. So 1 bolt, second screw, should I do glue this? Okay, so this coming out. Hopefully this follower will work. Okay, this one should work fine. Maybe I should try to like that somehow. That should be fine. Okay, let's try this, shall we? No, this will work. Okay. Okay, really, so there were 6 pins inside, so let's dump them. So, homemade spool, very nice looking, standard, a very nice looking spool again. Come on then, out. Okay, I'll skip this one and try to get it out later. Another homemade serration, really nasty looking, and another very nice serrated. So let's see if I can nudge him out. Come on, go out. Oh, I think he's stuck, guys. But I think it's a standard pin. The reason is here on this counter milling. I'm sorry. So the reason is the counter milling is covering the part of the hole, and I don't want really to force him out, but you can see, come on, here's the pin. Maybe it's a standard pin as far as I can see it from... No, it's not, it's custom made. I can make it, it's a custom made. It looks, I will show you, very much like this pin. If I can grab him, that is. So it looks very much like this pin. But I will not force it out. Come on, camera, please focus on me. Please, please, please. Just does not want to cooperate today. Yeah, here we go. So it looks very much like this pin. Okay, let's see what's on the inside. So number one, very cool, very cool pin. We'll make a picture afterwards so that you can see the pins. Okay, this is a standard spool. So I was wrong, there is a spool actually. Again, a standard spool. Homemade serrated pin. Very nice looking. And I mean, it's really nice, Javid, you just outdid yourself. And that's another serration here. Come on, camera, please be so kind and focus for me. Yeah, here we go. And the last one. Oops. Again, a homemade spool, also fantastic looking. Okay. Well, these are the pins, guys. Javid, you outdid yourself with the making of these pins. Yeah, so this is the first. That's the spool of the second, standard key pin. That's the third one, normal spool. Another homemade serrated pin, really awesome. So I don't have the key pin. This is the one that is stuck inside the core. The plug, sorry, and this is number 5. Really nice looking pins, and here is number 6, also great looking pins. JJ, you outdid yourself. Really very nasty look, and counter threading on chambers 1, 3, 5 and 6. So there you have it. Picked the BALDWIN, my first BALDWIN as well. And JJ, thanks once again, guys, thanks for watching, and keep it legal. Cheers.